Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone has had a wonderful day and a great evening. My name is Dwayna Respis Palmer. I can also be addressed as D or Dwayna. Um, I live in a county right outside of Philadelphia. A little bit of education background about me. I obtained a BSW from Cabrini College, which is now Cabrini University. I graduated in May of 2009. As far as employment history, I started work in 2009 for Family Support Services as a Healthy Start case manager. There, I was working with pregnant women and women with children of the ages 6 months and under. My job was to educate and promote awareness about child infant mortality. From there, I went to Catholic Social Services and I was a pregnancy and parenting educator. So I taught pregnancy classes as well as parenting classes. I currently work for the Philadelphia Corporation for Aging as an assessment worker, doing assessments for people ages 18 and up that are seeking in-home community-based services or nursing home placement or psychiatric placement. A little bit of personal information about me. I'm a mother of three. Um, I'm very heavily involved in my church, and I also love to do makeup on the side as a side job. I'm very family oriented. My house is the go-to house for family events. One thing I would like to say about, attending online at Widener. Widener has always been a dream of mine. A little nervous, anxious, excited about obtaining a degree online. One thing is I'm just hoping that the interaction that I have with my peers as well as my professors is one that you still would have if you were in a classroom setting. I'm used to discussing and going over ideas with my classmates. So I'm still hoping to have that type of interaction as well as, if I have any questions for my professors, I'm used to going up and, dissecting a paper before or after class. So being able to still have that interaction. Um, I am extremely excited. It's been a long time coming for me to get my master's, but I feel like no time is like the present. So good luck to all of you. Good luck to myself. I know that we can do this. If anyone needs any assistance or guidance or has any questions, feel free to reach out to me and hopefully I can do the same. Thank you.